Let's walk to the paint booth. We have a paint booth in a separate building, y'all. Voila. Magic, y'all. We have a paint booth. We have a paint booth, y'all. A paint booth. A paint booth. This was an accident. That door was smacked in. Can't tell now, but it was smacked in. So, you guys get ready for a lot of paint coming from your boy MB in the place to be. Man, listen. I've been waiting for this paint booth for a year. So, I don't know what time it is, man. We're finna paint a lot of cars in here, man. Wetting everything up. Finna wet it up, we finna drown the block, super soak the block, whatever you call it, man. Tsunami the block. However, we finna do the block. We got more lights to put up. I'm gonna show you guys some more lights I got.